learn some post-production. Make your images pop. Welcome to the image post-production and retouching class. In this lesson, we'll get to know a key concept, the histogram. Before we dive in, let's look at a photo. Doesn't it look hazy and flat? To fix this fog in Photoshop, we need to read the data behind it. So let's open the histogram. Go to Window to Histogram. You'll see a graph that looks like a stock market chart, peaks and valleys from left to right. What do they mean? First, notice the channel menu. By default, it's set to colors. All channels work the same way in principle. Here we'll focus on the luminance channel. For the histogram, the far left edge represents pure black, while the far right represents pure white. So the whole box records a gradual scale from black through gray to white. What does the height tell us? The taller the line, the more pixels share that tonal value. For example, if the leftmost and rightmost areas sit at 0, it means there are no pure blacks or whites. Most pixels cluster in the middle are mid-grays, creating a dense, information-rich hump. To make the image punchy, we simply stretch both ends, increase contrast by filling in the empty black and white zones. Once you grasp the luminance channel, the red, green, blue, and RGB channels become easy to read. Let's open the red channel. For example, here we see that the shadow area has no information, which means there is no red information in the shadow part of the image. Similarly, there is no red information in the bright areas either, indicating that neither the shadow nor the bright areas have any red information. Now that we know how to read the histogram, let's fix the lack of clarity. Add a curves adjustment layer. Its built-in histogram matches the one we just saw. Open it and compare they line up exactly. To add punch, drag the black point rightward until it just meets the first real data. Likewise, drag the white point leftward until it touches the first highlight data. Watch the image snap into clarity. Depth and contrast jump dramatically. Check the histogram again, black and white areas now hold data. That's the result of a simple tonal stretch. But what about the individual color channels? The photo now feels warm overall. If we want an intentional cool cast, we can boost blue by working on the blue channel. So add another curves adjustment. Switch to the blue channel. Gently raise the blue curve, nudge it up and slightly left. Do the same for the green channel, lift it just a touch left of center. The image now shifts toward a cool bluish palette. Now you'll spot a pattern. What is it? Every color correction command is simply reshaping the histogram. Master the histogram and you'll adjust images with precision. Alright, let's recap what we covered today. First, far left is black, far right is white. Higher bars mean more pixels at that tone. Lower bars mean fewer. For tonal adjustments, use the RGB or luminance channel. For color casts, mix the red, green, and blue channels. That's the key to precise color correction. Open Photoshop and try it now.